Hi all, I'm grateful to have been given another year of life, and I thank my Heavenly Father with a grateful heart. It is such a blessing to be alive today. Dear husband, the surprise you prepared for my birthday left me speechless. Thank you for the love and effort. Thank you for being the loving and caring man I always wanted. May God bless you so much. Let me take this opportunity also to thank you so much, friends and family members, for all the birthday wishes and prayers. I'm truly grateful to have you all in my life. Your messages made my heart so full. I'm so grateful, and you truly all made my day. Thank you so much once again. May God bless you abundantly.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Betty. Happy birthday to you. Keki sio ugali, hata keki sio ugali.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my friend. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Thank you. To you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, hey, to you. Hey, Tita, Tata. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my friend. Happy birthday, dear my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.